So by here we have the boned chicken claws. See, by here. Very unusual. Wow. Don't know about that. Wow.
Bad?
It's different. I mean, it's spicy. Isn't it flavor?
Texture?
Crunchy.
Oh.
Crunchy.
Oh.
Yeah. I recommend trying it just to say you tried it, but I wouldn't have it as your main meal.
Give it a miss.
Yeah. You can see that's the chicken claw. Oh, whoa.
Is it harder than it looks?
Yeah, it sticks so much.
Whoa.
They're staying brown, huh?
Rice cake, Korean rice.
Oh, this is the rice cake. Oh, this. Oh.
Korean rice cake.
So basically, the rice cake we were making, this ends up being this, which you can see by here. Oh, this is what the rice cakes end up looking like. Not bad. Not bad. Thank you. So we got marshmallow ice cream. Take a look. Gonna try it. Not bad actually. Unusual, but not bad. It's like a marshmallow with ice cream inside of it, pretty much. Yeah, good.
Score out of 10.
Well, I haven't got the ice cream bit yet, but yeah, 8 so far. Nice. We're in a restaurant in Korea where you cook your own food on the table. It's a bit like this. Just cooking your own food. This is really popular in Korea. You'll find this all around the place. Very different to what you'll see back home, cooking your own food on the table. We got some local beers. So just casually cooking our own food on the table, only in Korea, eh? I think we got tofu by here. So I think our food's ready to eat now. We get one each. There's cheese egg bread, which is delicious. Go on by here. There's actually egg inside of it. Yeah. So this is 10-1 bread. To the back there as well. It has cheese in the middle of it.
Oh, cheesy.
Very cheesy. Delicious though.
Nice.
8 out of 10. These are some of the delicacies we bought in the store. So these are pistachio rings, which are crisps. We've got hazelnut coffee peanuts. Not quite sure what these are. Not sure. Some green tea type of thing. Hazelnut Twix. Wasabi nuts. And then more crisps. And garlic crisps. I don't know what flavour these ones are.
India is very big, right?
Yeah?
Yeah.
So we got Jangdang soybean ice cream. 6 out of 10. Little cookie. Dragon beard can. God, they look lovely, they do. Sausage and potatoes. Ah. So here we have the national drink of South Korea, which is soju. We'll pour ourselves a little glass.
그분 친구분이세요?
Cheers. Soju.
어릴 적부터 저도 지금 사학기 때 어렸을 때부터 만났던 친구들 만났네. Strong?
Yeah.
네, 최고예요.
Well, that's the national drink of Korea, South Korea, soju. And then we got all this lovely food. This is what they do in Korea, cook on the table. Noodles.
네, 오케이. 잠깐만,